sir. Now, may I request Honorable Praveen Bhapote to please felicitate Honorable Dr. Dinesh Keskal. Thank you, sir.
Because what is the challenge? Airplane has a very complex navigation system. It's got all this data that keep coming that is telling the people on the ground where that airplane is, where it is going. And you don't want your internet to interfere with that particular data, because if it does, you will be in big trouble. So it took us about a year and a half to come to the grips with that, but today many airplanes, as I said, have that technology, and it is making people's lives better. It's making people's lives much more fun. Second thing they said is they wanted to make us an airplane which will go from anywhere in the world to anywhere. Because India, no company will have say I have 550 crores to spend. When I go to Boeing and say I need 550 crores, they say take it, just go spend it wherever you want. And I can do that. Today I can spend another $500 million to do what I want to do. And I'm going to do more things for India. Today we are working with HAL in Bangalore, NAL, which is like a NASA of India, companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, and right here in Nagpur, because of our commitment and my commitment to India, the floor beams for the 787 are going to be all produced in Nagpur right next door, MRO by the Tata company. These are all possible because I went there and I'm able to have the position of power where I can send work back to India. I don't think anybody else in my position of non-Indian origin would worry about what to do in Nagpur or what to do in Amravati. They won't even know where they are. So good question, but you got to go there, get the best you can, but again give back to the communities that made you what you are, and just don't ever forget.
खूप व्हॅलिड प्रश्न आहे. 60% मार्क्स नाही आहे म्हणून त्याला का डावललं जावं? There can be various reasons why the person could not get 60%. Can be a individual intellectuality, can be the situation at the time of exam, can be anything. एक corporate viewpoint सांगतो and then I'll come back to what can be done in this situation. Corporate themselves have to set the standard. When we go and we talk about saying hey, what kind of people we have to set our own standard in terms of the people we take, from the colleges we take, and the caliber they bring on the table. So that's where this percentage cutoff of 60% or 75% comes into picture. It doesn't mean that the person who is not getting that is not as good or not able to survive in that industry. That's completely, and we also believe that it is not that true statement. But from a standards perspective, we have to set the standard, and that's where every corporate follows that. Now the second part of it is, if we are not able to get that cutoff percentage, definitely there has been something lacking on an individual side, on an environment side, on a given situation side, which would have possible for individual to achieve that. So what does an individual can do in that position? The individual should really not lose the hope. If company X has that cutoff, there are other companies in India where you can start your initial position. And I would go to my old statement, wherever you start, if you show the commitment, you show your caliber, you would be back into the same corporate company which rejected you because of the lower percentage after 3 years, because After that, your percentage doesn't matter. What matters is about your experience. What matters is you bring on the table the kind of projects, the kind of technologies you have been working upon. So first 3 years, wherever you go, do not bother about company name, do not bother about percentage or the salary, bother about what you are learning, what the depth you are achieving out of it. And that would take you to the next level in any of the corporates. So as an example, when I actually passed out from engineering, I was trying with multiple campuses. We went to ABC, KSD firms and so on. In college, those were the only companies, mechanical companies used to come. Fortunately, we could go for an off-campus for L&T in Nagpur and got selected. We don't know how we got selected, okay, fortunately, that's all the statement. We said, oh, we got something. L&T was an, only awareness to us was a kind of engineering company and as well as mechanical, and also LTITL was getting formed but was not yet really started. So our posting happened to be in cement plant in Hirme. So it was good because for us, something in hand is much better than nothing. That's where we started off. From there, we spent time. I had a good group of 5, 6 fresh engineers. We went into the cement cement plant and really understood what those it means, from not only IT but from make to finances to everything, how the cement